Hey y'all, welcome back to The Simple Way. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious creamy garlic parmesan shrimp. So let's jump right into this recipe. Okay, so here is my shrimp. I have not even taken it out of the package. I wanted to show you how I clean the shrimp. If you know how to do this part here, then feel free to skip ahead. I'm using shell on deveined shrimp, and to remove the shell, do as you see here. This is really easy. If you want to leave the tail on, then you can leave it on or you can take it off. I'm going to leave the tail on because it's prettier, and I'm going to leave it on, so that's what I'm going to do. So anytime that you clean the shrimp, also I want you to check that area where the boo-boo is and get the boo-boo out of the shrimp. Go ahead and rinse, clean it, and pat it dry. So here are all of my ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe. I have my shrimp here. I'm using some fresh parsley, butter, heavy whipping cream, Parmesan cheese, not Parmesan, Parmesan. Did you guys know the correct pronunciation is Parmesan, not Parmesan? Anyway, and so I'm going to season this with Old Bay seasoning. I have here some fresh garlic, or if you want to get it done quicker, you can use pre-minced store-bought garlic. You will need salt and pepper, and don't forget the noodles. I'm using angel hair. I recommend that you use angel hair, but you can use whatever type that you like. So first you want to start out by drizzling the shrimp with some oil. Mix it up really well, and this is just going to help the seasonings to adhere to the shrimp. Okay, so now go ahead and season your shrimp. I'm using Old Bay. You can use whatever you have, or you can use Old Bay just like me. Okay, and so now go ahead and chop up that parsley and your garlic. Make sure that you chop it very fine. Go ahead and set it to the side. And so next, heat your skillet on medium heat. Add in about 2 tablespoons of oil. Toss in that butter. You're gonna let that melt down, and then add in the garlic. Now right now I have my temperature still on medium. I did not want to cook my garlic too fast. I didn't want it to burn. Saute the garlic for just under 1 minute. I counted the time in the footage. It was 50 seconds. Now add the shrimp to the skillet, and you want to spread this out, and you only need to cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Once the shrimp begins to cook, it's going to turn pink. Go ahead and flip it over, cook it on the other side. Make sure that you only flip it 1 time, do not flip it twice. You're gonna let it cook partially, and we're gonna remove it from the skillet. Now we're gonna add the shrimp back to the sauce later, as you will see, so that's why you want to only let this cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you're going to remove it from the skillet. Do not clean the skillet. We're going to cook the sauce in the same skillet. Do not go get a different skillet. We're going to cook it in this skillet here. Throw in some butter again, let that melt down. Go ahead and add in that heavy whipping cream. Now you can increase your heat to high, and we're going to bring this to a boil, and we're going to stir it up. Now go ahead and season this to your taste. Stir it up. Now you can decrease your heat a little bit. Add in your Parmesan cheese as much as you like. Stir it up. And now go ahead and return the shrimp to the skillet. Return the shrimp, put it all in there, all of those juices, everything. Put it back in there. Put it in there. Now you can decrease your heat just a little. We're gonna let this shrimp simmer for 5 minutes. 5 minutes only. 5 minutes. My voice is going out, y'all. I'm trying my best to do this voiceover, and my voice is trying to leave me. So now go ahead and garnish with the parsley like you see here. And this beautiful meal is done. I forgot to mention to make sure that you start cooking your noodles. You want to start cooking the noodles at the same time that you begin to cook the sauce, because you want them both to be done at the same time. They both need to get to the finish line at the same time. So here is the finished product. You guys, this was restaurant quality, perfectly flavored garlic parmesan creamy sauce. So good. So now I'm gonna plate this up. Here I have my angel hair noodles. Back in the day, I was never a fan of angel hair noodles. I don't know, I was tripping. Okay, the older I got, the wiser I got, the more my taste buds have developed. So now you want to put that shrimp on top. Let me zoom in and let you guys get a good look at this delicious meal here. This was so good. I really don't even feel like I have to sell this recipe. You see it, you see what we used, right? And if you guys have tried my chicken Alfredo recipe that I posted a few months ago, this is the exact same sauce. And if you tried it, you already know this sauce is the bomb. It's the bomb. So go ahead, you guys, please give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video.